What is happening, YouTube? And we are back for video 3 of Horizon Zero Dawn. So, just a quick recap. We basically just got through the tutorial, did a couple levels, and if you guys are new to the videos, I'll show you the skills that I chose. We went for Prowler with Silent Strike, went for Silent Drop, and for Forager, we went on Gather, because I like to collect stuff. I have a bad habit of it, and I want more. So, also we went over, hell, I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is, inventory. All the various, stuff that I got, special items from the Collector's Edition, so now hopefully it's time to go to the Proving and find Rost and become that badass we were trained to be. So, let us begin. Wait, is there anything in the house I can have? Can I go in the house? I cannot. Oh, there's fish. More fish. What is that? I don't know. Give me that. Your spear can knock off machine armor using R1. Try it on the training dummies. Okay. I will. You can also knock over small machines using R2. Check the item description on your spear for more information. What is this? Oh, okay, cool. So the bonfire is a save. So let's go ahead and do a save right here. Save new game. Yes. Okay, so we have a save. You know, it really drags the question. I've been doing... I've had about an hour of gameplay and I haven't saved it. Is that... Oh! Cool! Oh, yeah. Badass confirmed. Or wood. Let's do that again. Hell yeah. So we R1. Okay, so that's... We're just knocking over armor. Oh. Okay, so I can't... Can I break the box? I can. And I did. Okay, so I cannot get out the door. Let's get more wood. I like to keep a fresh supply. What is this? Didn't see this. Oh, hello.
Maybe soon enough.
Yes, you will. So. Oh. So, you ask yourself, why is he breaking everything? Just seeing if they drop anything. Okay, shall we press on?
He said we'd go hunting this morning. Why isn't he here? Where's he gone to?
Please, God, don't let Ross have died. He's the only father I've ever known. Wow. Man, if the Olympics were still around, I could go to the Olympics. I can jump so high. Hell yeah. Hello? Fire kiln root. What is that? Inventory. Fire kiln root. This natural resource can be used to craft resistance potions. Interesting. Resistance potions. Okay. That looks like Ryan, you die. So we're not going to do that. Another medicine. 14% health added to your medicine pass. What does that mean?
What's he doing up there?
There he is. Really, the only complaint I have is when I'm in my focus mode, I go slow. I mean, I understand the walking point, but turning, so much faster.
He's just standing there. What's going on with him?
Oh, okay. Well, before we start the scene, let's see. Okay.
Aloy, you're here.
Alright, we gotta go with the heart, because he is so awesome.
Did you want to be alone?
No. We must speak. I've been thinking about your training, Aloy. You've learned to hunt, learned to survive. But I fear there's a lesson I failed to teach you. Would you learn it now?
Of course. I'll always learn what you have to teach.
There has been some trouble recently. It affords an opportunity to learn this lesson, but it will be dangerous. You must come prepared, or you will die.
Oh, sounds serious.
Descend into the Embrace and hunt until you have gathered the parts for fire arrows.
Fire arrows? What kind of trouble are we talking about?
Once you have the parts, you will meet me there, at the gate beyond the village of Mother's Heart.
The North Gate? At the edge of the Embrace?
Yes. Now be on your way.
He's so cool, and I know, and I love this man, so I gotta ask, is there something else bothering you?
Is something else bothering you?
No, I'm fine.
You're lying to me.
Are you worrying about what happens after the proving?
What happens is clear. You will be accepted as one of the tribe, and I will still be an outcast.
Bullshit.
To be shot.
Rost, even if the tribe accepts me, I won't...
There is much to do, Aloy. We will discuss this later.
Okay.
So, I hope I have the choice, because I want him to... I'm fine being an outcast, but you need to be a part of the tribe, because you're just awesome.
Anything else you want me to do while I'm down in the Embrace?
Odd Grata might be out of food by now. You could hunt a week's worth of meat for her, if you find the time.
Wouldn't mind if she'd say thanks just once.
Grata follows the law. Her science towards us is honorable, not an insult.
If you say so. I'll go gather the parts, but I'm also going to pay Karst a visit.
Aloy, that man breaks the law every time he speaks to you.
And I'm glad he does. I want to buy a tripcaster, and no other trader will sell to outcasts.
Stock it with ammunition, then. You'll find use for that weapon tonight.
That sounds ominous. All right. See you at the North Gate.
Grata, talk to Karst, trade tripcaster, trade for the tripcaster, craft fire arrows. Gather blades, gather metal shards from machines. So, quests. The old outcast, Odd Grata. Okay. So if she's an outcast, why can't she talk to me? Often needs help to survive in the wilds. The trouble is she'll only speak when praying to the goddess All-Mother, so understanding what she wants isn't easy. Talk to Grata. Well, we're gonna do that. Activate that quest.
Snow haze. White as bone. That thought got dark. Something's really bothering him. If he thinks I'm gonna abandon him, he's wrong.
Open map. So that must be where Grata is, and okay, so that's a bonfire, Northern Embrace Gate, Strider site. Man, this map is like huge. Ruins. Oh wow, it goes all the way over here. What is this? That's a scrapper site. Oh wow, up the mountain. I think that's the house. Never mind. What's this? Strider. Point of the spear. Hunt for blaze and shards. Okay. So, we're here. Oh, open. Okay, I did that. Okay. Is there anything up here? So the question I have, can I like only carry a certain amount of Ridgewood? Because that number just keeps growing. Take that. 9% health added to medicinal pouch. What is this? I will be doing a lot of exploring. Nook and cranny loot. It's all good. What was that? I heard a noise. That looks like something. Go down here first. On fire, just like Dark Souls. Discover a it's a campfire. By getting near it, which unlocks new fast travel locations.
The Embrace. My whole life, I've never gone beyond this valley. That'll change after the proving. 2 days. 2 days until I get answers. 2 days, and I'll know who she was. And why I was cast out at birth. As if there could be an excuse for that. Alright. Time to gather the parts for some fire arrows. I should find a herd.
Shock wax root. What is that? This natural resource can be used to craft resistance potions. Hey, more medicine. What is that? Resistance potions again. So does this stuff respawn? Okay. Give me that loot. Give it alt. Ooh. Turkey. Heck yeah. Enjoy me some turkey. Rich meat, bony meat. We'll take all of it. Here, another one. And this orange spoon. So I'm picking up these this medicine, and it keeps saying like that with 15% health added to medicine pouch. Is that just the more I buy? There's 19%. Is that the more I pick up, like overstock, it just adds to the strength of the medicine pouch? I guess we'll find out, won't we? Talk to Grata. Alright, so let's go this way. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking some binoculars would be real good right now. Guys, this will be the last video of Monday. I'm going to go to bed, and oh, a boar. Oh, Oh, he's not dead. Come here. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? What the hell? Bet you are tired. Oh, there he is. Well, that's a turkey. Aw. Fuck.
Oh, Mother, my food is scarce. I am so hungry. Oh, Mother,
Where did that boar go?
the season
Oh, there he is.
is white
Come here. Yes. Rich meat, fatty meat, bony meat. Take it. And that brought us over here to good old Grata. Do you have anything to take? Maybe? No. What's up, baby?
Hello, Grata.
Oh, Mother, since I was cast out, have I not been constant as the river flows? Have I not kept the vows as the stones do? Show me your grace, All Mother, and provide for me once more.
Good news, Grata. Once again, All Mother has brought you rabbits.
Oh, Mother, your voice cracks like the distant thunder. I hear the songs of grief, oh, Mother. I would join the call, but I left my prayer beads atop the eastern overlook. I am afraid.
Wait at your camp for me, Grata. I'll see what I can do.
Well, that's one way to get what you want, I guess. Okay, so old Grata, huh? Doesn't want to talk to us. I should. How do I use my spear? Oh, okay. So I only use my bow when I hold L2.
Easier when I was a kid.
Oh, what is that? I'm gonna kill it. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a fox. Hi. Oh, it heard me. Oh. Well, now, look what we have here. Oh, there's two of them. Where's the other one? Oh, and there's the other one. Oh, there's a boar. Can I get a shot at him from here? I hear another one. Where's he at? Watch your lens. Mother's heart. Mother's watch. Oh, okay. So, we are still technologically advanced enough to have signposts. What is that? Thok. Human.
I need to speak to you. Please, a word?
You want to talk to an outcast?
I'm desperate for help, whatever the consequences.
What's the problem then? Trouble with your leg?
Forget about me. It's my daughter, Arana. She's in danger. She went after a scrapper near Mother's cradle, and I fear for her life. I can't even stand up, let alone go after her. Will you help me find her?
You know the matriarchs might cast you out for speaking to me, don't you?
I don't care. I tried looking for her myself, and my leg gave out. Just find her. I'll accept any punishment if it means she's safe.
Why would your daughter hunt a scrapper on her own?
It's my fault. I went after it first, and it tore up my leg. I barely got away, and I left a spear impaled in the machine. That spear was made by Adina, my mate, who died last year. It means everything to Arana. She went after the scrapper to get it back.
You said Arana went to Mother's cradle?
Yes, southeast of here. I forbid her from going, but ever since her mother died, she's become impossible. Damn it, look at me. A widower, now a cripple. Father that can't find his daughter. Please, help me set things right.
I'll do what I can to help your daughter.
Make sure she's all right. I'm begging you.
Easy now, Poncho. Okay, so we got our quest. That's cool. Before we go any further, let's get this. Okay. Oh, where's bonfire? Or campfire, I guess I should say. Another watcher.
Trail up the rocks is close by.
So there's 3 of them. Come here, Mr. Bunny. I don't know if Grata wants bunnies, but I did mention it to her, so we're gonna kill it and take it to her. 6% damage coil, huh? I'll have to look at that. The other one I killed go. Oh, there it is. Go to crafting and modify your weapons and or outfits. Okay. Hello. No shards. Okay, yes, I get it. We'll go here. Uncommon 6% damage drop. I don't think so. It's uncommon. Resource. Watcher lens. Harvested only from the watches. Yes. And there's one more. Oh, I got another fire coil. I like it.
Grata may be devout, but it takes strong arms to reach the Overlook the fast way.
We're a badass. Can't we do it? Can we do that? I guess not. Okay. Okay, cool. So it's kind of Assassin's Creed-y. Oh! Yeah. Nope. Yep. My dad trained a badass. Okay, so we don't go that way. Here we go. Oh, wrong one. Oh, 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 don't fall, please. Do not want a gravity death. Campfire? I guess not. Shut. Okay, where they at? Oh. Geese. Okay, so, how... Oh, maybe she came here to pray.
Aha! Grata's prayer beads. I see why she comes up here to pray. It looks out to Mother's Gate. You know, I wonder what bothers me more. That she ignores me, or that with all her talking to All-Mother, she's never lonely.
Rappel down. That's right. Yep. That's awesome. So if I killed everything, does it not come back, or does it respawn? That is a question that I would really like to answer. Oh. Let's get this item because it was here earlier and it's bothering me. Oh, buddy. What was that? Come on. There it is. Oh. There's fire. I didn't get that.
Hardy little plant. You'll help.
Oh, so the medicine pouch can get full. What's that? Shit I just got. Crap. Okay, potions. Special items. Rare beads. I'm gonna run up here and there's gonna be a scrapper. Oh! Like I said. Yep. Gotta love it when you call it. I mean, right as I said, there it is. Yep. Really take it down, though. And we'll get this quest done, then we'll get him. What's that? Oh. Someone killed a watcher. Or did I kill it? I don't know. That's a good question.
There's Grata, all alone with Allmother, the only way she knows. Here are your prayer beads, Grata. Now you have what you need.
All Mother, each morning I find your tears of joy speckling the leaves. Joy at the beauty of all you have made. See how I cry now with you in gratitude.
So you'll cry for her, but you won't speak to me. Fine. Guess that makes you the better outcast. Grata, I may not be around much for a while. I'm gonna run in the proving, and I'm not sure what's gonna happen after that.
Oh, Mother, I thank you for the kindnesses you share. When the proving comes, in your great wisdom, may you give favor to a brave of generous heart.
I think I get what you're saying. Goodbye, Grata. For now.
Oh, Mother, hear me as I count off my years of devotion from these beads.
There we go. Alright. So Grata is done. She have a bonfire? She have a campfire. I gotta get on saying bonfire. Sorry guys, I've been playing the hell out of Dark Souls. I'm so used to saying bonfire. So okay, so we're at 34 minutes. Let's get to a campfire and save it. And can I fast travel to a campfire? I can. Oh. There it is.
Ouch.
What? Don't sprain your ankle. Oh, okay. So I guess that green bar is like a shield. Alright, so we are going to save. Well, guys, it's been fun. I'm loving the game. I really am. Ah, that fire looks amazing. So, when I get up tomorrow, I'll start uploading more videos. Also, I'll be starting another channel, another video type. I've always been told I've been a very unique person in the fact of just what I believe in and who I am. So I'm going to basically start, I don't want to call it a rant channel, but just I'm going to express my views about anything and everything that I feel I want to. So, you guys are interested in hearing some messed up stuff and messed up views, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be alerted when I start slamming everything on this planet. So, it's been fun, guys, and the story is really good, and see you next time, and as always, keep the cherries and berries in the rear view.